Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will show different kind of parity of this super square 1 Rubik's Cube. So this is our first parity. In this parity you can see we have solved our all cube, but our equator is flipped. I mean we have half orange equator and also we have half red equator. So this red portion we need to fix on this red side and this orange we need to fix on this orange side. So when we find this kind of parity, so first we will fix our equator like that, and now we will apply our algorithm slash. Then we will rotate these two top layer in front of us like that. I mean smaller side we will keep in this back position and this bigger side we will fix on this front side, and we will rotate these two layer, and again we will fix our equator, and again we will apply slash. Now again we will rotate these two top layer, and you can see our all layer are equal. Now we will fix our this equator. I mean this red we will match with this red and this orange we will match with this orange. Okay, and now we will apply slash. So we have solved our parity and our cube we have solved. So this is our first parity. In this parity we solve our half equator, and now I will show second parity, and we will solve our complete equator. I mean in this side we will find red equator and in this side we will find orange. So first I will create parity. So this is our second parity. In this parity we have solved our complete cube, but in orange side we have red equator and in red side we have orange equator. So we need to replace our equator. I mean in this side we will fix orange and this red we will fix on this side. So when we face this kind of parity, so hold cube like that and apply slash, then rotate this single layer like that, and then two time we will apply slash, one time, second time, and now first we will match this top layer like that, and then we will fix our equator. This orange we will fix in this orange side and this red we will fix in this red side, and then we will apply slash and our cube will be solved slash. So we have fixed our parity and our cube is solved. Now I will show third kind of parity. Okay, so this is our third parity. Our equator is solved, our front layer is solved, and our back layer is also solved, but you can see in right side we have blues. These two middle layer, these are blue, and in this side these are green. So these two green we need to fix on this side and these two blue we need to fix on this side. If we match our cube like that, so our blue will be solved, our green will be solved, but these yellow and white they flip to each other. So this is our another parity. When we find this kind of parity, so first we will fix our equator and then apply slash. Now we will rotate our these middle two layer like that, and then fix our equator and apply slash. Okay, so now you can see we have solved our parity, and now I will show another kind of parity. This is our fourth parity. In this parity we can see we have two kind of error. We need to fix our equator, so our equator is also flipped, and our these two layer they are also flipped to each other. So these two white layer we need to fix on this side and these two yellow need to fix on this side, and similar our equator is also flipped. When we find this kind of parity, so we will apply slash, then rotate this top layer and also rotate this down layer, and you can see this is orange portion, this is red, and again we will apply slash and our cube will be solved. So now I will show another kind of parity. Okay, so this is our another parity, and we can face this parity in simple square one. So we can solve this parity same using simple square one technique. When we find this parity on this top layer, so we will apply algorithm from this top and this down layer. We will not rotate these two middle layer because we need to fix our parity on this top layer. So hold cube like that. One piece we need to swap to second, so we will place one piece in front of us and second we will place in our right side. And now we will apply our algorithm slash -3, 0 slash then 0, 3 slash 0, -3 slash 0, 3 slash then 2, 0 slash 0, 2 slash -2, 0 slash then 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4, 0 slash 0, -2 slash 0, 2 slash -1, 4 slash 0, -3 slash 0, 3 slash. And now we have complete our algorithm. We will just match these two layers. So when we find this kind of situation, first we will rotate this top layer like that. I mean one layer we will fix in this position, this bigger side we will fix in front of us, and this down layer we will fix keep like that. This smaller side we will keep in front of us. And now we will just rotate slash, then rotate this top layer, and again we will apply slash, and we will match this cube. So you can see we have fixed our parity. And I will show another kind of parity.